Ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking to run Flutter in your Visual Studio Code, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step for step, so stick close. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is run onto flutter.dev. Right, and this is what your page will look like. So what you're going to do from here is actually tap on Get Started and download Flutter and install it onto your device. Now, if you are not sure how to do that, we actually made a full tutorial, so I'm going to leave that up on the screen right now. You can go ahead, click on that, install Flutter properly, and then join us here again to continue. Right, so we have now installed Flutter on our device. You can now go ahead and open your browser again and look for code.visualstudio.com. And as you can see over here, there is a download for Windows if you're on Windows. If you are on any other platform, you can go ahead and use the appropriate installer. Now, once that is done, you will have your Visual Studio Code app on your device. Now, what we're going to do is go ahead and open it. You can just look for it in your search bar on your device, and here it is. So this is what the interface looks like. Now, on the left hand side, there is a toolbar running down the side, and at the moment it's got Explorer, Search, Source Control, Run and Debug, and the last option, Extensions. Now we're going to go into Extensions. Right in over here, we're going to go ahead and type in Flutter. Now you will see it is the first result. If it's not the first result, the name of the app or the extension that we're looking for here is Flutter. There's a couple other Flutter extensions, but we're looking for the plain old Flutter. Now, as you can see over here, there is a install button. We don't want to install release version or pre-release version. We just want to go ahead and we're going to tap on install. Now basically what is going to happen from here is you're going to tap on trust workspace and install, and this will now start installing. So it will take some time to install, so we'll catch you when it's done. So Flutter has now been installed, so you can see it now says uninstall. So if you are looking at it, this will give you the option to uninstall. So from here, we're going to now go ahead and tap on our keyboard Control Shift P, and you can see up at the top it'll open up this search bar. We're going to go ahead and we're going to type in Flutter. You can see now that it says Flutter New Project. We're going to go ahead and tap on New Project. Now, of course, it says which Flutter template is it that you want to use. We're going to go ahead now and just tap on the first one, which is an application. We can now actually locate our Flutter. So we're going to go ahead and it says select a folder to create the project in. We're going to go and select our folder that was previously downloaded if you had followed the previous video. And over here, it's asking you now to enter a name for your new project and then hit enter to confirm. So by default, it does say Flutter Application 1. We are going to just go ahead and push enter. We're going to use that. Now over here, you must make sure that you trust the authors of the files in this folder. We're just going to go ahead and say, yes, I trust the authors. You can see now that you can open a file, open a folder, create a new file, and then you can connect. There we go, folks. We have now successfully run Flutter app in the Visual Studio Code. You can go ahead now. There is a Get Started tab if you want to learn a little bit more as to how to get started, get up and running. If you liked this video, please don't forget to drop us a like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. We'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers.